Hi, I'm Adela. I'm from Romania. I'm a CVP exchange in ISA Cluj-Napoca and also a member in the national exchange team. I am a sociable, optimistic and ambitious person. Okay, why these words? Sociable because I like spending time with my friends and talking to people. Ambitious because all the things that I put my mind to usually turn out okay and in good shape. And optimistic because usually I look at every situation with a positive attitude and see the good part in everything. About personal leadership, well, I think that first you have to learn how to lead yourself before leading others. You have to know your own path in life, what you want to do, what are your goals and how to reach them. And all you have to do and what's left for you to do is to go there. So this is personal leadership, how you lead yourself before leading others. Thank you very much.